Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Archero 2 Shackled Jungle Guide. Shackled Jungle and Archero 2 is a non-stop survival mode where enemies come from all directions with increasing intensity. There's no final boss, just endless waves, and you've got about 10 minutes to survive. To stay alive, focus on key skills. Front arrow, side arrows, and splitting arrows help you clear mobs fast. Pair them with attack speed and crit upgrades for maximum damage. Use Reaper to instantly eliminate low HP enemies, and secret potions to reduce chip damage during long waves. Keep dodging, movement is everything. Watch enemy patterns, manage your position, and adjust your path smartly. Lower your visual settings to prevent lag and hectic late stages. And if your first few skills are weak, don't be afraid to reset their own. With smart builds and quick reflexes, you'll conquer Shackled Jungle in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.